If you've ever wanted to streamline your team's workflow in Jira and make sure no ticket gets created with blank or unclear information, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to set a default value for a custom field in Jira, so that every time someone creates an issue, you're guaranteed a solid head start with pre-filled information. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up, which will help your projects stay consistent and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. The first thing we'll do is head to Jira's settings. This is where all the magic happens behind the scenes. So look for the little gear or settings icon, usually found at the top or in the sidebar depending on your Jira setup. Click that, and from the options, choose Work Items. This section is sort of the control center for how your fields and screens behave. Don't worry if you haven't spent much time here before. Once you know your way around, it becomes second nature. Next, in the left sidebar, you'll notice a section labeled Fields. Go ahead and select Custom Fields. This is where Jira lists all the custom fields that you or your administrators have created to tailor the system to your team's needs. Maybe you have a field like Customer Priority or Bug Source. Whatever unique information you track, you'll find those fields here. Now, it's time to find the specific field you want to edit. Depending on how many custom fields you have, this list can get a little long, so take a moment to scroll or use the search function at the top. Take your time here, just to make sure you're choosing the right one, since changing the wrong field settings can confuse your team later. Once you've tracked down your field, look for the More Actions menu, usually shown as 3 little dots, or a similar icon next to your field's name. Click on that, then select Configure. This will bring you to the settings page where you can control exactly how this field behaves. If you're ever unsure of which option to pick, remember, Configure is where you want to be to set things like default values. On the Configure Custom Field page, you'll see the option to Edit Default Value. Click that, and now you can choose what value you want this field to show up with whenever someone creates a new issue. For example, if most issues should be set to medium priority by default, you'd choose that option here. This little choice can save your team so much time and prevent errors. Think of it as laying down a smooth path for every future project to follow. Once you've picked your default value or values, make sure to click Set Default. There's nothing worse than setting everything up and forgetting to save. Take a moment to double-check your choice before hitting that button just to be safe. And that's all there is to it. Now, every time your custom field pops up in a new issue, it'll start with your chosen default, giving your team one less thing to think about and more time to focus on the work that matters. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. If you have any questions about Jira Fields or you got stuck at any step, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Jira tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck streamlining your workflows.